Triangle ABC
Yeah.
is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means the two sides will be equal. So AB is equals to BC. It is already given to you, right? The sides of triangle ABC are all tangents to a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So this radius is 6 centimeter, and at this point, at this point, and at this point, AB is the tangent to this circle at this point, BC is the tangent to the circle at this point, and AC is the tangent to the circle at this point. And center is given to you as O. Now, what other things are given? BAO, BAO, and CAO, CAO is 35 degrees. And it is also given
Yeah.
that BA is equals to BC, which means it's an isosceles triangle. And you have to find area of triangle ABC. Area of the triangle is what? Half base into height.
Yeah.
Is there any
We
other?
have the
Is there any other formula? There is one more formula, which we call half
it's not everything
AB,
divided by 2.
which is called half AB sine C. This is from trigonometry. Right now, so what we will do is, now the best part is it is given to you that this angle is 70 degrees. If you join this one
Yeah.
also, this angle is 70 degrees. Because these two are equal, so this will also be 70 degrees.
Yes.
Then how much will be this angle?
40.
How much?
40 degrees.
Okay.
Yes.
So this will be 40 degrees. These two are 70 degrees. And this is also 70 degrees. Okay. Let me use a different color. If you extend this line,
Yeah.
this will be 90 degrees. If you extend this line, this will be 90 degrees. And if you extend this line, this will also be 90 degrees. Okay. So now I'm taking AC. Okay. I'm first finding AC and I will find BF. I will apply the formula half AC times BF. Okay.
Yes.
So how much is, I have to find AC. So what I will do is, if you look at this triangle, so if you go by 1035, so you will get OF by AF. And this is also 35, right? So you will get OF by FC. So basically both are same. So these two are same. So it will be 6 by AF. So is 1035, right?
Yes.
So AF must be how much? 6 divided by 1035. Please calculate the value.
8.568.
8.568. Anything else after this?
8. There's
Okay,
4
leave it.
8s.
8. It's fine. It's fine. 8.568. That is AF. If I multiply it with 2 times AF, multiplied with 2 times 8.568, what you will get?
17.137.
17.137, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the value of AC.
Yes.
So AC we just find out 17.137. Very good. Now we have to find out BF. Okay. This is 20 degrees, right?
Yes.
In triangle, now see this. In triangle BOE, BOE, this is
Yeah.
90 degrees. So sine 20
Yes.
will be opposite by hypotenuse. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sine 20 is going to be sine 20 opposite, which is OE, and hypotenuse is OB, right? So sine 20, so OB is equals to OE is 6 by sine 20. Please tell me the value of OB. 6 by sine 20.
7.4.
How much?
17.428.
6
No,
divided by
17.54.
okay. So O to B is, and OF is what? 6
Yeah.
radius. Add them. So yeah, so BF is this. Now use the formula half 23.54 base, and sorry, AC is the base and this is the height. Solve this.
201.7. Yeah,
So
it's
that
the
is
right
2.
answer.
If we take more accurate values like up to 5 decimals, then maybe. So that's approximately 200.
Yeah.